question. Black money has created a parallel economy in our society, with its size twice as that of real economy. A significant section of society believes that a strong will, especially at the center, is required to tackle this problem. What are your views on black money and how do you plan to tackle it?
Not only this is your personal worry, but the whole country is worried about the black money. And black money is not simply an issue of taxation or a theft in taxation. Black money is an anti-national activity. And there are two types of black money. The economy of black money, parallel economy within the country. And at the same time, the black money which is there in the outside India, in the different countries. For that, it requires a political will. And I give you the assurance to my countrymen that when we will form a government in Delhi, we will create one task force, and according to that suggestions, we'll make a law. The required amendment is necessary. We'll do the amendment, and we will bring each and every single rupee from the foreign countries, which is deposited by the Indian citizens, and which is the black money. And I'm committed to this because this money belongs to the poor people of India. And no one has right to do this type of anti-national activity. So this will be the prime responsibility of the new government in Delhi to bring back the money which is stolen from India. Second thing is that, and I'm sure only the next government will be able to do this. No other government can do this. It's my personal commitment, and that's how I'll do it. And I would like to do one incentive scheme with this. Whatever money will bring from foreign countries, and which is India's property, out of that money, whether it is 5% or a 10%, those who have a fixed income or a salary earning people, I will distribute this 5%, 10% amount to all those who are a regular taxpayer, and particularly the fixed salary earning people and those who are paying the tax. In a way, employees. I will give a special benefit schemes for them. यानी मेरा स्पष्ट मत है कि दुनिया के देशों में जहां भी काला धन पड़ा है, हम सरकार में आते ही एक टास्क फोर्स बनाएंगे, कानूनों में संशोधन करने की जरूरत होगी तो संशोधन करेंगे, नए कानून बनाने की आवश्यकता होगी तो नए कानून बनाएंगे। विश्व के जिन जिन देशों में जहां टैक्स हेवन है, जहां ये पैसे पड़े हैं, उससे जानकारी लेंगे। एक एक पाई हम वापस लाएंगे और ये जो पैसे वापस आएंगे उसमें से 5 पैसे 10% अमाउंट जो लोग ईमानदारी से देश को टैक्स देते हैं और विशेष करके जो सैलरी वाले लोग हैं, उनको बेचारों को कोई चारा नहीं है, उनका तो इनकम टैक्स यूं ही कट जाता है। उनको गिफ्ट के रूप में उसमें से 5% 10% मैं वापस दूंगा। ईमानदार लोगों को एक नया इंसेंटिव